One, if you are getting the unable to create site error on websim AI Cloud 3.5, I am here to help. In today's video, I will walk you through a few steps to fix this issue. So now let's get started. First, you will need to ensure your internet connection is stable. Websim AI may have trouble creating a site if your connection is weak or intermittent. Try restarting your router if needed. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Older corrupted data in your browser can sometimes interfere with WebSim AI's functionality. So after clearing the cache, refresh the WebSim AI page. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of the WebSim AI. Outdated versions may cause errors like this. So head over to the WebSim AI website and check for updates. If the error still persists, contact WebSim AI support team. Provide them with details of the error and any steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. And that is how you can fix the unable to create site error on WebSim AI Cloud 3.5. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.